Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Canon. In this video, we are going to learn how to connect Delphi application with Microsoft SQL Server database. For this, we are going to use FireDeck. FireDeck is a set of universal data access component which allow a Delphi or C++ builder application with various databases including RDBMS and NoSQL database. There's a list of databases supported by FireDeck component set on the official documentation. So we will start with a blank application which I have already created. This is a VCL form application. And to make connection, we need some FireDeck component on this form. And very first component is FD connection. So let's put this component on the form. And double click on this, the opened wizard will allow to configure MS SQL connection specific property. So very first thing is driver ID. Here you can see that there are a lot of drivers available which are specific to particular database, and we are going to choose MS SQL here. And here we need to provide database name. So my database name is and I need to provide username which is SA, password for my SQL server, and server name is localhost. One important thing is that currently I am connecting with username and password. You could use your Windows authentication to make connection, and for this you need to select yes on this OS authent property. Right now we will go with username and password. So we can leave other properties as blank or to default. Just test the connection. So a connection is established successfully. Click OK. One important property which I want to set for this FD connection is set to login prompt to false so that it doesn't prompt again and again. Now we will put FD connection, FD query component to query with this database. And let's put some UI control on the form to see the data. So I'll put DB grid. We will show the query result on this DB grid, and let's put some data source. The data source and its data set would be FD query, and its data source property to be data source. Now we have connection property set to FD connection for this FD query, and we will write query for this FD to get data from database. Let's execute it. Oh, I have some wrong name. Let's copy the query here. Maybe I have mistyped it. We have data here. So let's close this and set this FD query to active to show the data on this DB grid. So we have data on this DB grid. It means our connection is working properly. I'm showing all these things on design time. Let's run this application to show data on actual exe. Yeah, so we are able to see data here. So that's it guys for this video. Let me know your thoughts in comment, and if you want me to prepare another demo on different things, then please let me know. Thank you.